Welcome to Review Rumble. The best toilet bowl cleaner gel is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in maintaining a sparkling clean and hygienic bathroom, transforming the dreaded chore of scrubbing into a quick and effective process that leaves your toilet not just visibly clean but also free from stubborn stains, unpleasant odors, and harmful bacteria, ensuring a fresh and inviting atmosphere for you and your family with minimal effort. Number 5. Vacplus Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner Tablets. Introducing the Vacplus Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Keep your toilet sparkling clean with minimal effort. These powerful tablets work to prevent stains and eliminate odors. Enjoy a consistently fresh and clean bathroom. Each tab provides long-lasting cleaning power for your toilet bowl and tank. Experience continuous freshness with every flush. Simply drop one tablet into your toilet tank. It's an incredibly easy way to maintain a clean and hygienic toilet. This convenient 12-pack ensures you have a supply of these effective cleaners. Keep your bathroom smelling great for longer. What we like? This option offers a convenient drop-in tank solution for continuous cleaning. It's designed for long-lasting effectiveness, helping to prevent stains and keep your toilet fresh with minimal effort. If you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it approach to toilet maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. The cleaner has a nice scent and it is easy to apply. It leaves the toilet bowl sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing. The gel formula clings to the bowl, allowing it to work effectively on stains. Number 4. Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaning Stamps. Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your toilet sparkling clean. These innovative stamps offer a simple, hands-free solution for a consistently fresh bowl. Say goodbye to stubborn limescale and unsightly rings. Our powerful formula actively prevents buildup, maintaining a pristine appearance with every flush. Enjoy a delightful lavender scent that freshens your bathroom. Each stamp provides continuous cleaning power, ensuring a pleasant environment. The included dispenser makes application a breeze. Simply stamp it under the rim for weeks of powerful cleaning action. Get more value with 6 fresh gel stamps in every pack. This ensures your toilet stays clean and fresh for an extended period. Trust in the quality of Scrubbing Bubbles for a superior clean. Experience the difference that advanced toilet care can make. What we like? These gel stamps provide a targeted application to help keep your toilet clean and prevent unsightly rings and limescale. The pleasant lavender scent adds a touch of freshness to your bathroom. If you prefer a discreet and easy-to-apply solution that tackles tough buildup, consider this option. What people say. The gel clings to the bowl and doesn't run off. It leaves the toilet sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing. The formula effectively tackles tough stains and leaves a fresh scent. Number 3. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Tired of stubborn bathroom grime? Discover the cleaning power of the Pink Stuff's Miracle Foam Cleaner. It's designed to tackle your toughest bathroom messes with ease. This powerful foam effortlessly cuts through soap scum and limescale. Achieve a sparkling clean finish without the hard scrubbing. Enjoy a brilliant, streak-free shine on all your bathroom surfaces. It leaves your tiles and bath looking like new. Its versatile formula is ideal for cleaning your bathtub and tiles. Get rid of unsightly marks and restore the gleam. Make your bathroom cleaning routine simpler and more effective. Experience the miracle of the pink stuff today. What we like? This powerful foam cleaner is designed to cut through soap scum and limescale, leaving surfaces with a streak-free shine. Its versatile formula works well on baths and tiles too. If you need a robust cleaner that tackles tough bathroom grime and leaves a brilliant finish, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a gel that clings to the bowl and cleans well. The gel formula is effective at removing stains and leaving the bowl sparkling clean. The product has a pleasant scent and is easy to use, providing a deep clean without harsh scrubbing. Number 2. Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaning Stamps. Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your toilet sparkling. These innovative stamps offer a simple, hands-free solution for a cleaner bowl. Enjoy a consistently clean toilet with every flush. They help prevent unsightly limescale and rings from forming, maintaining a fresh appearance. Experience the refreshing burst of citrus scent with each use. It leaves your bathroom smelling pleasant and clean. The included dispenser makes application a breeze. Simply stamp it under the rim for long-lasting freshness and cleanliness. Each pack contains 6 stamps, providing extended protection against dirt and buildup. Keep your toilet looking its best with minimal effort. Trust in the quality of scrubbing bubbles for your home. These gel stamps deliver powerful cleaning action where you need it most. What we like. Similar to its counterpart, this option uses gel stamps for effective cleaning and prevention of rings. It offers a refreshing citrus scent, making your bathroom smell invigorating. If you like a bright, clean scent and want a simple way to maintain a sparkling toilet bowl, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The gel clings to the bowl and works effectively to remove stains. It has a pleasant scent and leaves the toilet bowl sparkling clean. The nozzle design allows for easy application under the rim. Number 1. Better Life Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Introducing a powerful toilet bowl cleaner designed for your home. It tackles tough stains and leaves your bathroom smelling fresh. Experience the refreshing scent of tea tree and peppermint with every use. This cleaner provides an effective and pleasant cleaning experience. Our advanced gel formula clings to the bowl, ensuring maximum contact for a deep clean. It works hard so you don't have to. This is an essential addition to your household cleaning supplies. Keep your bathroom pristine with this reliable and effective cleaner. Get a generous 24-ounce supply of our effective toilet bowl cleaner. It's designed to provide long-lasting cleanliness for your entire home. Choose Better Life for a cleaner, healthier home environment. Our products are crafted to deliver exceptional results. What we like. This liquid gel cleaner harnesses the power of tea tree and peppermint for a naturally fresh scent and effective cleaning. It's formulated to tackle tough messes in your toilet bowl. If you prefer a cleaner with natural scents and are looking for a powerful liquid formula, this is a fantastic choice for your household. What people say. This toilet bowl cleaner gel is highly effective at removing tough stains and leaving the bowl sparkling clean. The gel formula clings to the sides of the bowl, allowing for longer contact time and better cleaning results. It has a pleasant, fresh scent that is not overpowering, making the cleaning experience more enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.